Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I maintain my wash and go for a full week. Now actually this is going to start off with day 2 hair. If you want to see how my hair looked on day 1, then I will put a link in the description box to that video below. I actually recorded that the other day and it's my updated summer wash and go routine. And I also share some good tips on how to care for natural hair if you are in your 40s or 50s. So this is the morning of day 2 and I went to bed last night with my braid bonnet. This is how I like to preserve my wash and go. It's very comfortable to sleep in and it keeps my hair pretty much stretched out in the back and all in one place. So I'm going to take that off. And this is what my hair looks like. You see it kind of molds to the shape of the braid bonnet. So at this point, all I'm going to do is just shake it out and let my curls drop. And then I'm going to just tug on the ends gently. My hair still feels very soft and moisturized from when I first did it the other night. So I don't need to add any moisturizer or water or anything like that. And yesterday I had to run a lot of errands. I had a dentist appointment. I had to go to a lot of stores because I have family coming in town later this week, so I had to get the house ready. And it was raining off and on yesterday, and you can see my hair does not really have a whole lot of frizz. And I think that has a lot to do with this oil that I use. It is very lightweight and I like to coat my hair strands with it, and this helps to minimize frizz. This stuff is wonderful, y'all, and it smells so freaking good. I love it. And it has dried up hibiscus flowers at the bottom, and hibiscus flowers are really good for healthy hair. So I learned that one of the keys to length retention is to try to keep your hands out of your hair as much as possible. That's why lately I like to wear wash and goes. I don't have to brush my hair. I don't have to comb it. I just let it fall in place, and I try not to keep my fingers in it too much so it won't frizz up, and I can get it to last for 7 days. So now I'm just gonna clean up my edges, and I like to use this Edge Control by Creme. It is a colored edge control because I ain't about that gray hair life, y'all. I recently colored my hair, put a little colorants in there, but I get those grays that pop along there, and so I like to use this edge control with black color in it to cover up any of those gray hairs. And all you need is a little bit. And I just put that on my edges. It will fill your edges in if your edges are kind of thin. I think I used too much, so put that back in this jar because we're not about to waste this product. All right, and then I just brush my hairs or my edges neatly into place. Now, I don't know how to do all that fancy baby hair stuff. Plus, I'm 51 years old. There is nothing baby about me. I have grown-up hairs. I don't have baby hairs. So I just try to make them look neat and presentable. And I am gonna go out and run some more errands today. So I'm just gonna give my hair a light coating of this oil. Come on, 2 drops. Or 2 squirts, and just very gently rub it onto my hair strands, and then continue to gently pull and stretch my hair out. I like to have my wash and goes in a stretch state because that helps to reduce the number of single strand knots that you get in your hair. Let me show you the back. My hair is still very loose and fluffy. It does not feel weighted down by the oil. Okay, so that is it for day 2 hair. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let's hope it holds up. I don't think we're supposed to get any rain today, but you never know. I live in the South, so it's gonna be hot and humid regardless. So we'll see what happens.
All right, guys, this is day 3
And just like before, I slept in my braid bonnet. And my morning routine is very easy. I just go through the same process of waking my curls up, shaking them out so they can fall in place, and then gently tug on the ends to stretch them out, and then use my fingers to separate some of the curls. And then next, I use my edge control just like before to get them together right quick. And then finally, my oil to help seal in the moisture and minimize frizz. And here is the back. You can see my curls are still very defined. There is very little frizz. My hair still feels moisturized, and it is light and fluffy just like I like it. So that is it, and I'm ready for day 3. Now on to day 4. So before I went to bed last night, I did oil my scalp because I like to oil my scalp about every 3 days, and then I also gave myself a 10-minute scalp massage. Research shows that scalp massages help thicken hair and encourage hair growth, which is wonderful news, especially if you're in your 40s or 50s. So usually by day 4, the frizz wants to come out and play. So I'm going to use my TGIN Jamaican black castor oil water to help reactivate that gel that is already in my hair. I spray enough water to make my hair damp but not soaking wet, and then I just use the raking method to redefine my curls. And then I follow up with the other steps. Using my oil once again to seal in that moisture, and you can see my curls have come back to life. And in real time, even though I added that extra step with the Jamaican black castor oil water, the whole process still took less than 10 minutes. I actually like when my hair gets a little bigger each day because I love volume. And I do have fine hair strands and medium density, so I love it when it puffs up. I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks, so I am ready to take on day 4. Now on to day 5. My curls are a little bit tired, but it's time to wake them up and get them in order. And the best way to do that is with a little bit of water, so I'm just going to follow the same steps from day 4. Doing these steps helps to keep my hair moisturized throughout the whole week. And that's day 5. Now on to day 6. Now usually by day 6, my curls are telling me, look, we are tired of this heat and humidity, and we don't want to act right no more. So I start with the Jamaican black castor oil water. But now it's time to bring back Big Papa, also known as Uncle Funky's daughter, Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. And I start off with a couple of pumps and rake it through my hair to whip my curls back into shape. And I just add more where I feel it needs it. And here's what my curls look like after adding the Uncle Funky's daughter. And that's day 6. And finally day 7. And by now my curls are too through with me. But I'm going to make them love me again by bringing them back to life with the same steps, but this time I don't need to use the Uncle Funky's daughter. All I'm going to do is reactivate it with the Jamaican black castor oil water. Okay guys, so that is it. What do you guys think? This is day 7. All right, and truth be told, I can probably go about another 3 or 4 days, but I like to wash my hair once a week, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair tonight and just start the process all over again. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click that like button because it really helps out my channel a lot. And if you like videos like this and you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and then click that notification bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.